This video is, well, it's kind of an introductory level video about the area of a regular polygon. I will link a more advanced one in the comments here. But this video here is to explain the bare bones of how to find the area of any regular polygon. So here we have a regular pentagon, 5 sides, and you can see that one side is labeled 18 centimeters and the apothem, the distance from the center to the midpoint of a side, is labeled as 12.4 centimeters. And that's really the information you need in order to find the area of a regular polygon. So keep in mind, of course, that the perimeter of a figure is the sum of all of its sides. Well, we could get that sum by taking the 18 centimeters of one side and multiplying it by 5 total sides, because all the sides of a regular polygon are the same length. And then we're going to multiply that by the length of the apothem, which is labeled as 12.4. We can throw all of that into our calculator, and it would give us about 279 square centimeters. So it's really that simple. I'm going to do one more example. Oops, excuse me. There we go. This one's a word problem. And like any, I'm going to put the, oops, excuse me. I'm going to put the formula right here. Area equals 1/2 perimeter times little a, which stands for apothem. And this really brings to light that in any literal equation, which is just a fancy term for an equation with several different variables in it, we can solve for any missing variable as long as we know all of the other variables. So let's see what we've got here. A homeowner wants to build a fire pit in the shape of a regular octagon. Okay, so that's important. Octagon is, of course, 8 sides. The fire pit will eventually have an area of 350 square feet. So I'm going to substitute 350 in for our capital A. The distance from the center to the center of one side needs to be 12 feet to accommodate the fire and seating. So that translates to the apothem. How long should each side of the octagon be? So let's fill in with what we have. We have 1/2 perimeter. Now, what we don't have is the length of each individual side, but we do know we have 8 sides. So I'm going to substitute 8s for the P, which stands for perimeter, because whatever that side length is, 8 of them will give us the perimeter. And then we'll plug in the apothem right there, which is 12 feet. So that's what we have right now, and we can solve all of this for s. So simplifying a little bit here, it's going to be 350 equals 48s. And if we divide both sides by 48, each side length is going to be about 7.3 feet. And, you know, we could duplicate this situation, have a situation where maybe we have everything but the apothem, or maybe we have everything but we don't know how many sides the figure has. We can do really, we can solve this these problems using this formula for any missing variable. So check out the linked video to kind of the next level regular polygon area problems. It's coming up next. Keep working hard. You're doing great, and thank you for watching.